Trans Laser Camera Lens Glass Ink Laser Marking Demonstration. The equipment is designed for microcode engraving on glass ink layers, ensuring high consistency in markings. This machine uses UV nanosecond laser, which guarantees high processing precision. The QR code size can be as small as 0.28*0, 28 mm with a depth up to 4 microns. Automated loading and unloading are achievable with this device, and both processes are equipped with vision positioning systems beforehand, significantly enhancing the accuracy of product handling. To cater to the need for side marking, the machine features a specially designed material handling structure that enables products to be positioned for marking at the side or rear. Marking effect illustration. Translucent effect, opaque effect.